Thank you, baby. Can I have a kiss? I don't think you can.
Just enjoy what is the peacefulness of up here. We can talk later.
Kind of like it pretty cool. I could hear birds when I put my head down because the air is blocked.
We're pretty much higher than the fucking birds right now.
Yeah.
How crazy is that?
Have you adjusted? Are you
Right there.
Yeah,
That's
now
what
I'm
I was
okay.
hearing. Those fucking birds.
Well, are we higher than them?
Fuck yeah, we are. Look at them down there.
Holy fuck, we're way higher than the birds.
Yeah, birds ain't flying 800 feet in the air. That's ridiculous.
Yeah, wait.
Yeah, we're stupid.
Probably 50 feet in the air. Look at the birds down there.
I wonder how they bring us down.
They'll tuck you in.
They, what, slow it down, I guess?
Nah, they probably reel this thing in.
They reel it in.
Interesting.
I'm sure it's on a fucking hydraulic and it just pulls it in. You know how much force it would take?
Yeah.
Wheel to pull
Boy,
this
it's got to
bitch in?
take mad weight, yeah.
That's why I didn't think the three of us could go. Because based on the website, we couldn't.
Yeah, I mean, this is...
Well, now you get a straight view, huh? Wow, look at that, man. You just see clump after clump.
And then look at
Oh,
this.
good idea, buddy. Let me, here, I'll do it.
Shit, where all the mountains start. There.
I'm gonna shoot. Oh, I'm shooting downtown right now.
Oh, yeah,
Guys,
man.
just
Just talking, baby.
That's
We
how
are enjoying it, but that's how we enjoy it.
I know, we're ignorant East Coasters, you know, we're
when
just...
do you get to 800 feet up in the air with literally city
Oh, it's still recording. Okay.
zero?
It's crazy, because I guess the mountain range must go north or something from there, because you can't see anything. Oh yeah, that's where like the...
See, they're pulling us in.
Are they?
Yeah.
Fucking bastards. Look
We're
at
getting
the
way
mountains,
closer
man.
to the
Look
boat.
at the sun.
That's what makes this cool, is that we're seeing the sun like this, and we're going right into it. I'm filming it right now. Pictures.
He's taking pictures.
All right. Damn, look at that boat.
Coming down now. Coming down, bro.
My short legs.
Captain, bring it. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Oh, this water's gonna be cold as hell.
It is good.
This water's gonna be mad cold. Oh! Woo! Woo! My dick is cold as shit right now. Ah, fuck. My phone was in my pocket.
That's, oh, I held mine.
Oh, you were smart, goddamn.